Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and fine. Today we will learn domestic animals. This is a dog. It guards our house. This is a cat. Cat lives outside of our house. This is a goat. Goat is a domestic animal. It gives us milk. This is a sheep. Sheep give us wool. This is a horse. Horse is a domestic animal. This is a rabbit. It is very short, cute and beautiful animal. This is a buffalo. Buffalo give us milk. This is a cow. Cow give us milk. This is a camel. Camel is a domestic animal. This is a donkey. Donkey is a domestic animal. This is a pig. Pig is also a domestic animal. Thank you. Bye-bye. See in this picture, children. This is a cat. Cat lives outside. This is a pig. Pig also lives outside of our house. This is a dog. It guards our house. This is a rat. It is very small animal and it lives in a hole. Thank you. Bye-bye.